Setting up a 301 redirect in Squarespace helps redirect visitors from an old URL to a new one, which is essential for maintaining SEO and ensuring users can still access your content. Here's how you can set up 301 redirects in Squarespace. Log into Squarespace. Go to Squarespace and log into your account. Choose the website where you want to set up the redirect. Access the URL mapping section. From the home menu, navigate to Settings. In the Settings panel, click on Advanced, then choose URL Mappings. Create a 301 redirect. In the URL Mappings field, you will enter the 301 redirect command using the following format. Replace old URL with the URL you want to redirect from, and new URL with the target URL. The 301 at the end specifies that this is a permanent redirect. Save changes. After entering your mappings, click Save to apply the changes. Test the redirect. Visit the old URL to ensure it properly redirects to the new URL.